In order to change the rear brakes on the Ford Focus, it is necessary to put the brake into what's known as service mode. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate and deactivate the service mode without the use of any special tools. This will retract the calipers so that the piston will go back easily to replace the brakes. So, to activate, firstly, switch the ignition on, press and hold the accelerator, and then push and hold the park brake down. Now, within 5 seconds, turn the ignition off and then back on. Now, the calipers will retract and maintenance mode will display on the instrument panel. Additionally, you will get a confirmation symbol of an amber light on the bottom right, seen here. Now, the ignition can be turned off and the brakes can now be changed. With a bit of luck, you didn't find that too difficult. Now it's time to reactivate the parking brake. This is quite simple, following these easy to follow steps. So, to deactivate the electronic parking brake service mode, turn the ignition on, press and hold the accelerator like before, pull and hold the parking brake switch, then push the foot brake for at least 1 second. Release the brake pedal, then finally turn the ignition off and then back on within 5 seconds. Release the accelerator and the brake switch, and now the electronic parking brake service mode should deactivate, the calipers should wind out, and the parking brake light should illuminate red as before. This may seem a little complicated, but it isn't as difficult as it looks. If you follow the video along whilst you're doing it, you may find this helps. I really hope you enjoyed the video and hoped it let you get the job done. Why don't you leave us a comment below and let us know how you got along. If you're struggling, maybe I can help. This has been How to Fix It. Why not give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. And of course, many thanks for watching. And check out some more of these great videos on the Ford Focus.